welcome to All Things Hair Philippines. My name is Lace and I'm here to share with you how you can treat dandruff at home. But first, feel free to check out other videos in this channel to get hairstyle tips and inspiration. So one thing that I regularly do is that I wash my hairbrush and hair combs because all of the dirt, flakes, oil, all of that stuff may get transferred on your hair and it might clog your pores and irritate your scalp. If you have scalp conditions like dandruff, using dirty brushes or combs might make it worse. So one thing that you can do to wash your hairbrush is using a natural solution. So first, I will take all of the hair and dirt out of my hairbrush, and then I will mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda and a cup of vinegar and mix it in a small bowl filled with warm water. So before I hop in the shower, I will brush my hair when my hair is dry because brushing your hair when it's wet actually promotes breakage because wet hair is actually in its vulnerable state. So if you brush it, most likely you will have breakage in your hair. After I wet my hair, I will take the clear Botanique scalp care shampoo and massage it on my scalp using my fingertips. What I like about this shampoo is that it has 5 essential oils that is perfect for dry scalp because personally, there are days that I suffer from dry scalp, so this shampoo is perfect for me. Just remember to massage the shampoo on your scalp using your fingertips and not your fingernails because you might scratch your scalp, which is not very good. After rinsing the shampoo, I will take the Dove Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff Conditioner and I will massage it to the mid to ends of my hair because that is where your hair needs moisturizing. After a few minutes, I will rinse all of the conditioner and I will take my microfiber towel to remove any excess water and wrap my hair in it. So another tip that I can give you is to wash your hair immediately after exercising because you need to wash off all the sweat on your scalp just to prevent a buildup. So after washing my hair, I will take my hair dryer and put it on the lowest setting because high heat actually dries your scalp as well as your hair, so make sure to use the lowest setting. So since for me, I have naturally wavy hair, what I would do is that I will dry it. So another tip that I can give you is to prevent from using heat styling tools because it will dry out your hair as well as your scalp just to prevent scalp flaking and itchiness because we all want healthy scalp, right? So there you have it. I'm hoping that this was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and you don't miss out any of our tips and tricks.